If you manage Google Ads campaigns, knowing how to view your change history is one of the most powerful ways to track progress and understand how your adjustments affect performance. In this tutorial, I'll show you step by step how to access and use the Google Ads Change History tool to review account changes over time. Start by opening your browser and heading to ads.google.com. Once you're on the Google Ads homepage, click the Sign In button in the top right corner. Enter the Google account credentials connected to your ads account. If you manage multiple Google accounts, make sure to select the one linked to your campaign so you can access the correct data. After signing in, you'll arrive at your Google Ads dashboard, the central hub where you can view campaigns, analyze performance, and use tools that help optimize results. Look at the left-hand side of your screen. This menu contains most of the navigation options you'll use to move around your account. To find the change history, navigate to the top of the page and click the Tools and Settings icon, usually shaped like a wrench. This opens a drop-down menu filled with useful sections like Billing, Shared Library, and Setup. Under the Setup section, look for and select Change History. Clicking on Change History takes you to a detailed record of every modification made within your Google Ads account. Here, you'll see a complete log of edits, including campaign updates, budget changes, keyword adjustments, and any other modifications that affect how your ads perform. One of the best parts of this tool is its flexibility. You can filter results based on date range, change type, or even the person who made the edits. This is especially useful if multiple team members manage your account or if you want to pinpoint when a performance shift occurred. By analyzing this information, you can quickly identify what actions led to improvements or what might have caused a drop in results. The Change History view also helps you understand the bigger picture of your campaign evolution. Maybe a certain keyword adjustment boosted conversions, or a bid change impacted traffic. With this tool, you can see exactly when those updates happen and evaluate their outcomes. If you ever notice unexpected results in your campaigns, reviewing your change history is one of the first steps in troubleshooting. It helps you spot errors, confirm updates, and ensure all changes align with your overall advertising strategy. And that's all it takes. Accessing and reviewing your Google Ads change history is simple, but it gives you deep insight into how your account evolves over time. By using it regularly, you can make smarter, data-driven decisions that lead to better campaign performance and long-term success. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to explore our other tutorials to keep improving your Google Ads skills and grow your business with confidence.